This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exporting the clip you'll use as wallpaper. Open TikTok, locate the clip, and save it to Photos. If download is blocked, record your screen and trim the recording. Once done, open Photos and use the Edit tool to crop and shorten to 15-30 seconds so the loop feels smooth and doesn't hog storage. Make sure orientation matches your lock screen preference. Portrait works best. Now you're ready to convert it into a live photo for wallpaper settings. Next, you convert that trimmed clip into a live photo using an app like Into Live. Import the video, select the start frame, set the duration and frame rate to keep motion smooth, and export as a live photo. Choose the highest quality and avoid overly long loops to reduce battery drain. Save the live photo to your Photos library. Once it's saved, confirm it plays by long press, previewing in Photos, so you know the conversion worked before applying it as wallpaper. Finally, set the live photo as your lock screen wallpaper. Go to Settings or Photos, pick the live photo, turn off perspective zoom, and choose Set Lock Screen. To animate it, press and hold on the lock screen. If it doesn't animate, make sure haptic touch is enabled, 3D touch settings are active on compatible models, and low power mode is off. If still stuck, re-export a shorter live photo and reboot your phone. These steps fix most playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.